rock. Not exactly sure what that name stands for. Maybe hard as a rock? But that would be a bad thing, given the amount of large GPUs end up with a huge crack due to their weight. And the last time I checked, rocks are pretty heavy. It would be better if these things were less rock and more rubber for flexibility. Maybe one day. Hello Internet. Today we have this 6900 from ASRock that's built like a rock. Regardless of its build quality, it's broke, so here we go again.
Oh shit, here we go again.
We start by taking it apart so we can take some critical measurements before powering it on. Otherwise we're running into a risk of setting something on fire. After poking around with a short finder, no shorts were found, so let's power it on and see what it does. Nothing blew up this time. Maybe next time. All voltage rails present, and I have no reason not to plug it into the PC and see if it produces an image. Card does not produce an image, so let's run the memory test and see what it says. Memory says channel E0 and E1, which are one chip since they are 2 GB, and that chip is located here. Because this chip is so close to the PCI Express slot, it is the most likely suspect, so let's deal with this chip and see if that helps. Okay, as you've seen, there was a ripped pad under that memory chip, so we made the right call. So let's power it on and see if it solved our problem, and yes, it looks like we have a picture. So let's boot into the Windows and run some basic tests real quick so it does not overheat, and then proceed with a full assembly and a full cycle of tests. Everything's looking great. The card is already at the hand of its owner, who I hope is using some kind of support bracket to prevent that from happening again. Either way, I hope you guys have learned something today, so thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Goodbye.